In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send documents to multiple people using Docusign and set up a signing order. This is an incredibly handy skill to have, especially if you're managing numerous agreements that require signatures from different people in a specific sequence. So, let's dive into it. First, we need to go to the Docusign website, open up your favorite web browser, and type in www.docusign.com. Docusign is a leading service in electronic signatures and agreement management, so you know you're in good hands here. Once you are on the home page, the next step is to log in. Click the login button, which you should see prominently displayed on the screen. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed, which is straightforward and quick. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can manage your documents, sign forms, and handle various agreements. Now locate the Start button. This is usually found directly on the homepage, making it easy for you to initiate a new document signing process. Click on it to begin. With that done, you'll now want to focus on adding your recipients. Look for the Add Recipient option. This is where you will input the names and email addresses of all the individuals who need to sign the document. Be sure to double check that all email addresses are correct to avoid any hiccups later on. Next, we move on to setting the signing order. This is a crucial step if you want the document to be signed in a specific sequence, ensuring that all parties sign in the right order. Click on Set Signing Order after you've added your recipients. This leads you to a screen where you can determine the sequence. Simply drag and drop the names in the desired order. This feature is incredibly useful if your document process requires a hierarchy or a particular flow of approvals. By following these steps, you're ready to send your document. Take a moment to review all the details you've input. Make sure everything is correctly set up, from your list of recipients to the signing order. Once you're satisfied, hit send. Your document will now make its way to each designated signer in the order you've established, streamlining the entire process and saving you considerable time and effort. That's all there is to it. With Docusign, you can efficiently send documents to multiple people and manage signing orders without a hitch. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to handle your document agreements with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching and happy signing.